The CNC 2025 Outlook, a commitment to validation, engagement, and professional growth. The Commission on Nurse Certification is pleased to announce its 2025 program agenda. This year, CNC is excited to expand programs and projects that showcase the role of the certified clinical nurse leader and facilitate engagement among CNLs worldwide. Guided by its founding mission, CNC has launched initiatives that enable CNLs to interact with peers, share best practices, and grow their professional network. In January, CNC hosted its first webinar of the year, Discover the Power of the Certified CNL Credential, which featured several dynamic speakers. This online discussion brought together CNLs, academic program directors, as well as CNL faculty and students for an insightful discussion on how CNL certification helps advance nursing careers. Look for more enlightening webinars later in the year. Discover CNL's video series. This year, one of CNC's primary goals is to give the world a look into the unique and diverse CNL skill set. Through CNC's video series, Discover CNLs, the organization will continue to capture CNLs in action as they carry out their day-to-day role. Social networking. In keeping with the times, CNC is leveraging social media platforms to facilitate networking within the CNL community. Last year, CNC established professional groups on LinkedIn to facilitate networking within the CNL community. The organization created groups for specific CNL audiences, including practicing certified CNLs, aspiring CNLs for CNL master's students, and an exclusive group for CNL faculty and program directors. Be sure to visit the CNC staff LinkedIn page at linkedin.com/in/CNC staff to join one of these groups. The CNL Mentor Program. CNC recognizes that CNLs sometimes seek advice when it comes to navigating their careers. For that reason, this year, CNC will launch the CNL Mentor Program. This program will pair CNC ambassadors with non-certified CNLs or CNL students seeking a mentor. These ambassadors are certified CNLs and will leverage their experience to provide career advice to peers or mentor CNL students who are preparing to sit for the certification exam. Upcoming CNL certification exams. CNC administers the CNL certification examination 4 times a year. The winter exam period ended on February 7th. From April 14th to May 9th, the spring exam period will be held. This summer, the CNL exam will be administered from July 14th through August 8th, and the fall exam will be held November 17th through November 28th. If you plan to pursue CNL certification, begin preparing for the exam now. Review the CNL certification guide. Study the CNL exam content outline. Take the CNL practice exam. Check out the CNL exam review course. Select your desired exam period and identify the testing site nearest you. You can find these resources and more at aacnnursing.org/CNL-certification. The CNL Certification Ambassador. CNC's CNL Certification Ambassador Program has been revamped and is in full swing. The program has been formalized and augmented with a team of new ambassadors. In addition to serving as mentors, you will see these men and women in action on webinars, at conferences, and as CNC observes its annual Certified CNL Day on March 19th. Certified CNL Day is a global celebration during which certified CNLs educate patients, colleagues, peers, and other healthcare stakeholders on the role and impact of CNLs in the healthcare delivery system. In addition, employers and healthcare administrators utilize this day to recognize certified CNLs on their staff. In executing its 2025 agenda, CNC stands fast in its objective to educate the world on the value, the impact, and the influence of the certified CNL. As such, the organization will continue to validate the competency and skills of CNLs who are dedicated to delivering improved patient care. To learn more about CNL certification and the certified CNL skill set, visit discovercnls.org or aacnnursing.org/CNL-certification.